Steve from Connecticut. Today I have a GoPro Hero 11 that was a gift, actually to my wife, not to me. But anyway, she's letting me use it, so I decided to take it to Busch Gardens. And right out of the box, I just set it up, basic settings, 4K, 24 frames per second, and I did super view. I turned on activity to just regular, and I'm really impressed, okay, as we're about to see. But also, recording with it right now so that you can see me in, 5.3K, which is probably more than ever should be done for me. And it's 5.3K, 24 frames per second, and I got it really wide.
Oh, wasps. Oh, shit. Yeah!
Freaking awesome. Yes!
Okay, that was more intense than I thought. Oh my god.